Welcome to the future with AI Force Hub. Find the best AI tools and discover a world of new possibilities. In this video, we will show you on how to use Lovo AI voice and video. Lovo AI is a powerful tool that allows us to generate realistic AI voice and create stunning videos quickly and easily. So, let's click the AI voice and video and click the Start Project button. This is where we can edit the scripts or add some videos. For example, I want to create a voiceover for my intro video, and I need to do a little bit serious theme. First, let's choose a voice that suits from the available options. For us to change, let's click here. Here we can see a lot of options. We can choose the Pro voice. They also have rapid voice, global voice, voice cloning where we can create a voice clone, collectible voice where we can connect our wallet to use the NFT voices we own, and the bookmarked where we can find the voices that we saved. We can also search the voices if ever we know the name of some voices in here. We can also filter the gender, age, and use case of the voices that we want to use. Well, in our case, let's find a perfect voice here in the Pro voice that will be fit in our project. We will select a male one, then we will choose a young adult. Since we will do a voiceover of an intro for our tutorial video, we need to select that is going to be more on explainer type of voice. Let's choose the education and let's try to preview their voice by clicking their picture and click the select button once we found the right one.
Moving on to our next mind-boggling fact. Did you know that the shortest war in history?
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today, we're going to talk about
There are several key components of a healthy work environment.
Are you looking for the perfect voice? Then I'm your best option.
So, based on what I heard, we will choose Paul Roberts. I think his voice will be a good fit for our project, since we already selected the voice that we will use. We will now enter the script or text into the provided box. Since we're using the Pro voice, we can only access one option, which we can adjust the speed of the voice. Since we're ready, let's click the Generate Voiceover button. Once it generates, click the Play button to preview.
Welcome to the future with AI Force Hub. Find the best AI tools and discover a world of new possibilities. In this video, we will show you on how to use Lovo AI voice and video.
Well, it's very good and I'm satisfied with this voiceover. But don't worry, we will show you on how to use some features that can help you to your future project using the Lovo AI. So, let's add a new block for us to use another voice. This is just for example. We will just pick that as a non-pro voice, so we can use some features here in Lovo AI. Let's just choose a similar to the first one. Now, let's enter the script for the second block, then let's hear the preview voice before we will change some of the settings, so we can compare the changes.
Lovo AI is a powerful tool that allows us to generate realistic AI voice and create stunning videos quickly and easily.
Now, that's the normal voice. As we notice, he speaks so fast. Let's try to reduce a little bit the speed of his voice.
Lovo AI is a powerful tool that allows us to generate realistic AI voice and create stunning videos quickly and easily.
It gets better than before, right? Now, let's move to adding some pauses since emphasis is not supported for this voice. But don't worry, we will try to use the emphasis later. Now let's use the pause. We will just click the word on where we will apply the pauses. Let's just click at least 2, for example, and click the Apply button. Then generate and play it.
Lovo AI is a powerful tool that allows us to generate realistic AI voice and create stunning videos quickly and easily.
Pretty good. Now, let's try to change the pronunciation. Let's click the lip icon at the upper part of the screen. Now, for example, we will change the pronunciation of the word tool, and let's see the changes. Now, all of the word tool that it's in the word box will change the pronunciation.
Lovo AI is a powerful tool that allows us to generate realistic AI voice and create stunning videos quickly and easily.
Now, let's add some video or animation to our voiceover. First, let's go to Media. It's located at the left side. Since we already downloaded the video, let's just click the Upload and select the file what we want to use. Let's just wait till the uploading is done. Once it's done, let's go to My Folder and click the files that we will use. Then click the Add to Project button, then arrange the video accordingly. Once it's done, let's try to preview the results.
Welcome to the future with AI Force Hub. Find the best AI tools and discover a world of new possibilities. In this video, we will show you on how to use Lovo AI voice and video.
Lovo AI is a powerful tool that allows us to generate realistic AI voice and create stunning videos quickly and easily.
Now, as we promised, let's just have a quick try on how to use the emphasis feature. It's just the same with the pauses. We will just click the word on what we want to emphasize, then click apply.
Lovo AI is a powerful tool that allows us to generate realistic AI voice and create stunning videos quickly and easily.
And that's how it works. Before this tutorial ends, we would like to do a quick view of some features that located on the left side. We will jump off in the subtitle section. Here in AI Force Hub, we will do a separated tutorial video on how to use auto subtitle using Lovo AI. Next is the text section. This is where we can add some text characters in the video, and they also provided the fonts that we can use. Next is the AI writer, where we can let AI provide us some scripts, for example, for the specific content, as we can see in this section. It could be explainer video, YouTube video, and many more. And the last one is AI artist, where we can describe the image that we want and let AI provide it for us. And there you have it, a tutorial on how to use Lovo AI, a powerful tool that allows us to generate realistic AI voices and create stunning videos quickly and easily. We hope that we help you. Start using Lovo AI with the link below and discover more AI secrets at aiforcehub.com. Join our AI community on our social media channels, and let's continue to shape the future together.